Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to view your iCloud photos on your iPhone. So let's start. First open a browser. You can either open Google Chrome or Safari. Now search for iCloud and go to iCloud.com. Now it will ask you to enter your password or continue with your Touch ID. When you are logged in, here you will see many options. Now tap on Photos. Here you will see all of your photos stored in your iCloud. And that's how you can view your iCloud photos from your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.